What if your testing team could cut test creation effort by up to 80%? That is the shift enterprises are starting to explore with agentic orchestration. Today, many QA teams are spending far too much time maintaining scripts, fixing broken tests, and managing repetitive validation. And the challenges keep growing. Applications change constantly. New APIs, new workflows, and frequent releases make traditional automation even harder to maintain. And the reality is, script-based automation was built for a different time. Modern software needs testing systems that can understand change, adapt, and respond. And this is where agentic orchestration comes in. Instead of manually creating every test, autonomous AI agents can analyze changes, identify what needs to be validated, run tests across different systems, and continuously improve with every cycle. The result is a smarter approach to quality. Teams can reduce maintenance effort, get faster feedback, improve coverage, and scale testing without adding any additional complexity. Platforms like Kairos bring this approach together through AI-driven testing, intelligent orchestration, and cross-platform validation. The next evolution of QA is not about writing more scripts. It's about building systems that can adapt and execute with the speed of modern software delivery. Discover how agentic orchestration is changing software testing. Read the white paper to explore the architecture, capabilities, and business impact behind this next evolution of enterprise testing.